Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. We are discussing Q&A session of sound chapter for class 8 CBSE students. Now see 13th question. Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Can you explain why? So if you understand, generally if you observe also, you might have observed this phenomenon in your daily general life. Lightning you generally see first, then you can hear the thunder sound. In the same way, in your daily application, television also, same thing happens. Have you ever observed it? If you put on your television in your house, you will see the image first and then you can hear the sound once you on the TV. Observe it if at all you haven't observed. Even that question will be asked in this type of questions because the answer is same for both of them. Now see the answer. Because the speed of light is more than the speed of sound. What is the light speed? Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second. If you write in meter per second, it becomes 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. In the same way, sound is at 330 meter per second. So when you compare these two, which is traveling faster? Light travels very fast than the sound. That's why you will see the lightning first and then you can hear the thunder sound. Okay, I hope everybody understood this. Like this, if you have ever observed any other examples, just recollect it. Okay, now see activity based question. Under your NCERT questions, you have these activity based questions. In these activity based questions, if you see, it is based on controlling of noise pollution. The topic of noise and noise pollution is very important. In the previous videos, we have already discussed what is noise and what is noise pollution, how noise pollution is created, what are the effects we have already observed. Now in the activity, they are asking you identify the sources of noise pollution in your locality. This we have already done in the previous videos. If anybody have not watched that video, I will give the link in the description. Please watch it. Next, discuss with your parents, friends and neighbors. Suggest how to control noise pollution. So they are asking you to tell the remedies how you can control noise pollution. Prepare a brief report and present it in the class. Okay, now let us find out some important measures what we can do so that the noise will be controlled and noise pollution is reduced. Now the first one, using in our house the gadgets like television, music systems, radios, transistors, all those you have to play at low volumes. Okay, it should not disturb others. While using mixer and grinder, make sure that there is distance at least 1.5 feet from the wall. In your house, when you use it, you have to keep the mixer and grinder away from the wall. Try to avoid bursting crackers. Generally, for every celebration, it has been an habit to burst the crackers. So, you just avoid it. Otherwise, try to burst the crackers which make less noise. Next, plantation of trees also will help you to reduce noise pollution. Then, if possible, soundproof your home. Generally, theaters or auditoriums, you can observe they will be soundproofed. Other than this, nowadays for houses also they are doing soundproofing. So that also will be helpful to do or to reduce noise pollution. Next, be sensible while using the horns in the traffic. Honking is also a major issue for noise pollution. So make sure that you do not honk more in the traffic, especially in the hospital regions and school regions. Okay, so more than this, generally they don't ask in the exam about noise pollution. and some other activity based questions like how sound travels in the solids, liquids and gases. With activities they will ask you to write. Okay, that also you have to learn in your textbook. There are so many activities. If anybody has any doubt in those activities, comment down. Otherwise they will be very easy. That's why I am not explaining in this Q&A session. So these are the major important Q&A from the sound chapter. Okay, and then you will have human ear also in your textbook, but that is also not asked generally in this chapter. Larynx is very important, that will be asked, and there is detailed explanation of larynx in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. Okay, like the video and share the video. Please subscribe. If you are watching the videos first time, don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have other topics, any doubts related to physics in the comment section, so that I'll definitely make the video on those topics. Thank you.